Celebration fit for a queen. And in this case, there were about 180. These women, all mothers, from top range of Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew. They were given the five-star treatment on Mother's Day. The road transformed into a restaurant. The ladies, young and old, made a fashion statement on the red carpet, and in between meals, they were entertained by the boys and the men in the area. This is the honorary table, where mothers 75 and older received VIP treatment. The day's celebration is the initiative of Carlisle Neil Berger. He tells us that growing up, all the women in the community had a positive impact on his life. So this is his way of giving back.
The entire community pack any church when it comes to a funeral. Why wait until they pass? We have an opportunity now to say to our mothers, we love you. We appreciate you.
Volunteerism is key here. After the first staging with about 50 mothers in 2019, more residents got involved in the planning, preparation of meals, decorations, servers, and entertainment.
If you calculate almost 180 mothers, and let's say we work at a three-course meal of maybe 2,000 or 2,005, we're looking at over $500,000 in terms of cost. And we're not talking about the entertainment package. But for me, there's no dollar figure as it relates to the mothers of top range. If it means that at the end of the day, I am broke in terms of finance, I'll be happy in terms of how I feel today.
A major highlight of the night was recognizing the oldest mother in the gathering. She's 92-year-old Ina Cameron. And after the official ceremony, they danced the night away.
Not for the mothers tonight would have nowhere else to go. Okay? But here. Because the older mothers, sometimes nobody have no transportation and nothing to carry them out. So all the mothers come, sit and enjoy. This is our community. This is where we enjoy ourselves.
We are women of strength. Most of us are single mothers. I'm a divorcee. You understand? I raised my daughter on my own, and I'm very proud of who she has become.
To see all our mothers coming out well attired, well dressed, then it must be overwhelming. And inside this community, we work hard to get things done, and it was successful tonight.
With a ray of hope, I am Kian Morgan.